Hello and welcome to this lecture. On this video I will explain you and show you how to install and configure Visual Studio Code for Terraform. You can use any other text editor or IDE, but this one, if you choose Visual Studio Code, this video is for you. Alright, let's get started. I'm on Ubuntu. I have, I think it's 20, Ubuntu 20. Okay, let's go to Firefox. Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Here you go. Here you have for Linux. Also, there's other platforms available, Windows and also Mac. Download whatever you need. We will download for Ubuntu. Just click on it. It will start downloading. Here we go. We have this file, so we don't need this. Let's open a terminal and go to this folder and install this file. Terminal, downloads, let's make it bigger. Here we have our file. And now, in order to install it, just execute sudo apt install / and the name of the file. And click enter. Your password for sudo. Looks like it's done. You can exit from here. All right, so how to start it? Click here, type visual. Okay, here we go. Right click, add to favorites. Just click escape. We have it here on the left side. Nice, let's launch it. And here we have our Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's open folder just for the testing. We have test folder. Yes, I trust to add to fall out of this folder. Just click it once. Okay, here we have our code. You see it's nice. Let's make it bigger. See, it's really nice, giving you a logo of the Terraform files. But what is not nice, you see, it's like ugly gray, no color, no lighted. If you click Ctrl S to save your changes, it's just not formatting. So let's add one extension, Terraform extension, and it will be so beautiful. So let's click here for extensions. A search extension, just type HashiCorp. You will see the first one, the biggest one. You see 2.7 million downloads. Just click install. Wait a few seconds. All right, it's done. Now we just need to configure it. Basically configures. You see, by the way, it's already nice. You see, it's already coloring really looks really great. You can close the extensions. You can open again this. So it looks great. But then I click again Ctrl S. It's not formatting automatically. I want to execute formatting. So how to do it? Go to the file, preference, settings. On the settings, we need to go to the text editor settings and to formatting. And here you see format on save. Just click here, V, and basically that's it. Just close it. Okay, I'm here. Let's make some changes. This is my changes. I just want to click Ctrl S to save it, and it's formatted automatically. That's all. Here you go. Yeah, so it's really great. Use it, or you can use any other text editor. Notepad, even just Vim, Nano, just really any other text editor which you would like. But this is a Visual Studio Code. All right, thanks, and hope to see you on the next lecture. Bye bye.